If you think your work is hard, check out these guys. This is a Sherpa from Nepal. This was recently and he carried down a person from above 8,000 meters. Now imagine working 8 hours a day, above 4,000 meters, and at the same time carrying 40 kg up till 80 kg per day for less than $12 a day, which you still have to pay your food from and your accommodation. There's not much left, isn't it? Therefore, we're organizing on the 9th of July a fundraiser called The Mindful Move to raise the awareness for our unseen heroes in the Himalayas, which you can be part of. So if you would like to join us on the 9th of July to support this fundraiser, please be present. And at the same time, you can also join us to Nepal in October to further support this cause and to join us on an 11-day trek, volunteering and much more of 21 days. And imagine if we can just help these gents a little bit out, not necessarily by solving the problem, but making it a bit easier, by making sure they're getting comfortable gear, shoes, gloves, pants, and jackets so they can walk more comfortably and more safely in the mountains. Are we seeing you on the 9th of July, or are you joining us to Nepal? Check out the link below.